Vicious.
Something scandalous, right?
So fucking gone right
DJ Steve.
Bitches all up on my digits, I can't even dial it, her time is a midget. So many bitches in my game is so wicked. I'm a fucking soldier, motherfucking vulture. I don't give a fuck if you want her, you can hold her. My nigga, I'm gone, past that Patron. I should hit it up right, call me LeBron. Hating, mad cause I'm fucking yo lady. She all up on my Jimmy and you call her yo baby. I just laugh, ha 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 ha. I'm living on the edge like ga 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 ga. I'm smoking on a loud, I'm so high, 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 high. Y'all some music ass niggas, I say bye, 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 bye. My life is so sci-fi, my flow is so live. I make them bitches holler for $1 Friday after next. Why these niggas mingle up and all they want is sex?
Roll another one, smoke it, burn it. 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 I'm so faded, can't you see I'm gone?
Something scandalous, right?
I'm so faded, can't you see I'm gone?
So I give her what she want while I'm rolling this blunt. Gone, matter of fact I'm flown. I'm so up away, I forgot to just say I'm alone. But like that, her legs open, oh wet. Cautious sign, she's cautionally set. My niggas are wildin' and they already bet. I'ma smash, 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 then I leave so fast. And that tatted nigga, I just fly past you. You get money cause you a young nigga, I'm SSG. You might not know it well, wait and just see. The fireman coming, word to my nigga Tucci. I get the W, y'all get the cheese. Call me Manning, you get the meaning. Blunts after blunts, they just keep on appearing. I'm so high, I'm flying through no ceiling.
Roll another one, smoke it, burn it. 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 I'm so faded, can't you see I'm gone?
Something scandalous,
I'm so
right?
faded, can't you see I'm gone?
Scandalous, right?